we may open the floor for questions to our director, Milo, and our exec producer, and of course, the subject, Sir Del Mundo. If anyone is willing to ask, going once. Okay. No, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon po. Congratulations to Direk Milo for coming up with a great documentary for a great man. But since we already have a glimpse of Doi 1.0, I'm just curious. How about a Doi 2.0? Direct Doi, for example?
Tama na ho ito. Tama na yan. Okay na. Tama na. May mga plano-plano, pero hindi ko alam kung anong matutuloy.
Hi, good afternoon. Congratulations, Direk. Nagustuhan ko talaga yung documentary. Dami ko natutunan. Kayo po, nung ginagawa niyo po siya and after niyo po magawa, ano po yung natutunan yung bago tungkol sa history ng Philippine cinema?
Actually, lahat ng nandyan. Kasi hindi talaga ako parang student of film. So, when I was, yung alam ko kay Doi, ito lang. Then when I was doing a documentary, I was learning. And I was like, oh, hala, napasubo ko. Ang dami kong kailangan i-cover and everything. That's why it took so long to do it. So, siguro yung mga natutunan nyo dyan, hindi na yung mga natutunan ko. Pero as much as possible, I want to inject yung knowledge at memory ko ng cinema. Kaya pinili ko talaga ilagay yung the 80s. Kasi nanonood ako ng pelikula ni Dina Bonnevie and all those stuff. So it has to be like historical document din ng Philippine cinema during the time ng Sitoy. Tsaka ano yung situation ng Philippine cinema nung ginagawa nila yung mga pelikula nito. I think that's very important. And from the start, that was the plan really. Ang hindi lang talaga na push na plan sa docu, I was supposed to give more time sa lahat ng in-interview ko. Kasi mas mahaba ito yung original cut. It is like, I think 4 hours. Kasi bawat in-interview ko, may mga kwento na it was in my original cut. As in, it was also supposed to be a tribute to them also. But at the end of the day, we really have to like, oh wait, we have to cut it. And we were happy with what we have. So, ayan, so, yeah.
Thank you po. Kay Sir Doi po. Sir Doi, ano pong masasabi niyo ngayon sa current state ng Philippine cinema?